was talking to this guy who was saying that apparently they're gonna close off the port because of a hurry. You see already taking precautions over there. Well, bird's still here, so that's a good sign still. Oh damn, those people just came from the ocean. They're wearing life jackets. That means it's rough out there. Starting to pour down. I'm gonna find some cover. I don't mind getting wet. I'm always the first one to go down the water slide. But I'm carrying gear. Camera, laptop and such. First things first, always protect the gear. So there's a chance that my tour today might be called off. Hope not. Seems like quite a bit of fun. And all the jet ski guys putting their stuff away. That's when I get scared. When these guys start putting their stuff away, that's when I started worrying. You know what's up. Yeah, I wasn't kidding when I said this is an adventure. This is my adventure look. I haven't even seen my knife yet. Golden obsidian. Pretty sure my trip got canceled today. Problem is that the crew won't really tell me if it got canceled or not. Hey. Usually when the people aren't here, the boat just stays around the corner. If the tour isn't canceled yet, they're gonna be out there somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, it definitely got canceled, but they don't really tell me because it's not their department. They don't even have my number or anything. So it's a, oh no. So yeah, could have left an hour earlier. Thanks for picking me up. Sí, la que está encima de los carros. Ese es el nuestro. Sí, honey, estoy seguro. Mira.
No tengo dinero.
Mira, aquí está bien, aquí está bien. Este lado también. Claro. Turns out the tour didn't get canceled. It just got postponed. Okay, so you that way, you that way, I'm trying to get as much distance that way.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go! Let's everyone! Woo! Regardless of the storm, with this group, we would have had a great time anyways.